What's good, chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are doing something a little bit different. We are doing a sneaker unboxing. So if you guys don't know, the Jordan 11 Lows Diffused Blues came out, I believe it was last weekend, and I had to order them and I just got them in the mail yesterday. All good. I waited to unbox them because I wanted to unbox them for you. If you guys know me, you know that I love any Jordan 11. They are my favorite retro. And we got the Space Jams earlier this year, so I'm pretty excited for these diffused blues. Let's just get into it. Man. Oh, these are so clean. My first official reaction of just seeing the box, I didn't think grade school was gonna have this box. I did get a 7Y, and I really did not think that the grade school box was gonna look just like this. So it looks like we have like a navy colored blue, and then like almost like the UNC, maybe a little bit lighter blue for the Jumpman. On the side, it reads 7Y. And midnight navy, white. I'm really surprised that it doesn't have the diffused blue on the color here. And then it looks like the side of the box has that diffused blue. Super clean, super nice. All right, let's open them. Oh, it has my order receipt. Looks like the tissue paper has like the carbon fiber print on it. Yeah, these are nice. Where's the midnight blue? Did it say midnight navy? Okay, so maybe the bottoms are the midnight navy. But man, this color is different. When anyone else gets some shoes, do they always do the smell test? I love the smell of new shoes. What are you guys thinking of these? Man. Oh, it might have the navy or the midnight navy on the tongue there, the Jumpman on the tongue. Yeah, these are clean. If you guys know the Emerald 11s, the Emerald Low 11s, let me see if I have them. I'm pretty sure they're up in a box. If you guys don't know the Emerald 11s, I was actually going to customize them for a video, and I went on GOAT to see what they're going for, and I think like a pair sold for like $600. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna just hold on to these. I am not gonna do anything with them. I was this close to making a video in customizing some Jordan 11 Lows. If you guys want to see that, make sure you guys comment down below so I know that you guys want to see it. Let me know what you guys think of the Jordan Low Diffused Blues. Curious if you guys would cop these. Any Jordan 11s that are coming out, I'm trying to cop ASAP. I love Jordan 11s. Like nothing can go wrong with the Jordan 11s. These actually kind of remind me of like the Georgetown 11s, where they have like I think it's like a midnight blue and then the gray uppers. But this blue is different. Like it has like a gray undertone. Super cool. Let me know if you guys would cop down below. As always, drop that like, subscribe, and stay positive. And you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.